3y minus 1 to the 4th power. Of course, if you want to be able to rewrite it 4 times, 3y minus 1, 3y minus 1, 3y minus 1, and 3y minus 1, and just multiply the first two, multiply the second two, whatever you answer, multiply again, you'll get the correct answer. But it'll be a bit easier if we can do the binomial theorem. Now the exponent is to the 4th power, so we need the 4th row. We're going to use the Pascal triangle. It'll be 1, 1, 1. 1 added together gives me 2, and we end up with a 1. So that's the second row. So with the 1, that gives me a 3. Add them together gives me 3. 1 at the very end. That's the third row. We need the 4th. So 1 together is a 4, 6, 4, and 1. So this is the row that I'm looking for, the 4th row. So it gives me, make sure to write small so we can fit it. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now I'm going to start with my A value. My A value is 3y. 3y, 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 3y. My exponents will be 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Remember, you start with the 4 and go down to 1 and then 1 more. So therefore, even though the exponent is 4, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Then my value of b is negative 1. Don't forget about your negative. Negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. And plus is in between. And I just need to simplify each of those terms. Let's simplify the first one. We have 1. Then I'm going to multiply 3y to the 4th power. 3y times 3y times 3y times 3y. 3 times 3 is 9, 27, 81. So that gives me 81 to the 4th power. And negative 1, yes, and I forgot my exponents for this one, right? So that should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that your exponents should add up to 4. That gives you 4, 4, 4, 4. 1 plus 3 is 4, 0 plus 4 is just 4. And that's it. Let's continue on. Negative 1 to the 0 power is just, anything to the 0 power is just 1. So that gives me 81y to the 4th. So I can cancel C. Now D, remember that we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exponents, 5 terms, because the exponent is 4. So I know this is not the answer. So let's simplify the next one, and that should give us the correct answer. So plus 4. Then we have 3y to the 3rd power is 3y times 3y times 3y, which will be 27y to the 3rd. And negative 1 to the 4th power will be negative 1. I'm going to multiply together. So 4 times 27, 27 times 4, that's 8, carry 2, 8, that will be 20. That will be 28, carry 2, that will be 4, 8, 9, 10. So 108 times the negative 1 is negative 108 y to the 3rd. And then we need to simplify each one afterwards. But in this case, we already have the answer. My answer should be letter B.